In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location in Brave browser. If your downloads keep piling up in the default folder, or you prefer saving files to a specific drive or project folder, this quick setup will save you a lot of time and keep things organized. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the menu icon. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu. Click it to open Brave's main menu. This menu holds all the key customization options you'll need, including privacy, appearance, and of course, where your files are saved. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Brave's settings page in a new tab, where everything is grouped into helpful categories down the left-hand side. We're heading straight to the place that controls where your files land when you download them. On the left side panel, click Downloads. The Downloads section is dedicated to your file-saving preferences. Near the top, you'll see your current download location. If you've never changed it before, it's likely pointing to your system's default Downloads folder. Next to Location, click Change. This will open your operating system's file picker window. Here's where you choose exactly where you want Brave to save future downloads. You can pick an existing folder, a folder on another drive, or even a synchronized cloud folder if that's part of your workflow. If you like keeping things tidy, consider creating a dedicated folder just for Brave downloads or for a specific project. On some systems, you'll see Quick Access or Favorites on the left to help you jump to common locations faster. After you've navigated to the folder you want, confirm your choice by clicking Select Folder. On some systems, this button might be labeled Choose or Select, but the idea is the same. You're telling Brave, save everything here from now on. Once you confirm, the settings page will update to show the new path, letting you know the change has taken effect. From this point forward, anything you download in Brave will go to the folder you selected. If your needs change later, maybe you switch projects or want to use an external drive, you can return to this same Downloads section and repeat the process. And if you prefer choosing a location each time you download, you'll notice an option here that allows Brave to ask before saving, which can be handy for one-off files. That's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and tailored to how you work.